Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by taking the fastest, most effective steps. First, toggle Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data and confirm web pages load. Unstable networks cause the try again error. Once done, free at least 100 MB of storage and restart the phone to release locked files. Then open the Play Store and check for app updates and update Google Play services if shown. These steps remove common transient causes and get you ready for deeper fixes if the error persists. You now perform the detailed middle steps that fix stuck states. Go to Settings, find Apps, force stop the Play Store, then clear cache and data. Repeat for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework because residual data often blocks downloads. Next, remove your Google account, reboot the device, and re-add the account so authentication tokens refresh. Also check system date and time, disable any VPN or proxy, and if the problem continues, uninstall Play Store updates to revert to a stable baseline. You finish by applying the final remedies that resolve persistent errors. Make sure Android is fully updated and install Play Store updates after system patches. That aligns app compatibility. If issues persist, reset app preferences to restore defaults and only consider a factory reset as a last resort because it erases data. If nothing works, try signing in with a different Google account to isolate account issues, and if needed, contact Google support. This one troubleshooting tip often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.